There we have our chickens. Popcorn and Nugget. Nugget is the golden one, or orange. There's Popcorn. Now, show them our chicken coop. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
So this is our chicken coop. As you can see, the roof is not done. It will be done tomorrow. Here is the fence, the gate. Oh no. Okay.
Steps.
And there's their hay.
More steps.
That's where they're gonna sleep.
Here's the crawling dirt. Here's that condition. Got it built in.
That's where we lock it, and then we come to the side.
Special door.
Pull this down. Oh, we're gonna fix that. And here we'll be getting the eggs out. And the chickens are ready. And we're going to have to cut this. I'm filming.
I look bad in that video. You didn't get your face. I made those DS videos.
Okay,
Going back to the chicken.
bring it back in.